welcome back to another episode. Today I've got very special guests with me, Abhay and Vikram. Thank you so much for joining me here. How do you feel?
This is our third podcast and we haven't done this before, so we are very happy. We were very excited about it.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. So, I am curious about this one thing. You guys have different backgrounds. So, how did you, come up all together and then you decided, chalo, okay, let's make an ice cream brand? Or how was the idea? Like initially, किसने किसको pitch करा, किसने किसको बोला चलो भाई करते हैं?
Initially, Abhay posted a story on Instagram looking for a partner. So I just reached out and we both got together.
Or
Everything just happened. Very
I
fast.
just posted a story and he replied, and then I just called him that, do you know someone? I wasn't expecting him to be the one. And he said, घर आ जाओ, मम्मी से बात कर रहे हैं. And then
And
there
my
was
mom had a 40-year-old recipe book of ice cream,
Oh,
which
your
she still
mom.
had.
Okay.
So it started with that.
after that we never looked back. कल से ही start करें.
So how did the idea strike? कि चलो ice cream से related कुछ, let's make something.
It was my idea. I was exploring a lot of ice creams. I'm a marine engineer. I've been traveling a lot for food and all, especially when we go on show leaves. So even when I came back to Chandigarh, it was always every day I used to go to, I think, one or the other place for ice cream. Then I felt that it's okay, but still it
Not
is,
that good.
yeah, it can be better.
Yeah.
And also we found it to be very expensive for the common public, so we found a gap that it can be bridged, that the same product in a better quality but the cost can still be cheaper. So we worked on that, and that has been our take towards ice cream since then.
So how were the early days? The fundings, and how did you guys distribute the responsibilities? तू ये संभालना, मैं ये संभालूंगा, and how was the execution?
We had a target that we'll keep our budget for an initial brand as low as possible, that we won't go big for the first time, that we need to see the response, because none of us had any cooking or any ice cream
F&B
business or even any business experience also. He was fresh out, he's just fresh out of college, and I am also someone who was more than comfortable in his job. So for me it was a very big step. My dad was also initially supportive, that if it is your wish, you are happy doing it, you do it. And after that, I think initial days were more about the store.
We both were doubtful initially.
Yeah,
Okay,
how will
should we
we-
back out right now?
Every day it was that, छोड़ देते हैं अभी कहीं जा रहे हैं, like nothing. Then the rent happened. Then we thought, okay, अभी भी शायद कि छोड़ सकते हैं, क्या ही जा रहे हैं. But then the machinery came. Then I don't know. It was something very, like, there is something there that it just kept on going one after the other. We
But
didn't
after
have-
the machines came, we were like, no backing out now.
after that, and it has been a good experience.
So how did you think कि ice creams में ही जाना है, and how did ice creams become one thing you chose?
I am a marine engineer, and my job has been a lot of traveling around Europe, South America, US, and I think the best ice creams were US and Europe.
Okay.
So, but there is a slight bit of difference which we found over there, but Europe was very good, and I am very fond. I am someone who just goes out for work, goes out for a show leave, and I want something to eat or drink or something new to try. Then I think my interest came. Then whenever I used to come here, there are some brands, good brands who are doing good ice creams, but we still found that they are, I think, a bit too out of reach for the common public. And even if they are in reach, so people don't go there. The reason being that there is not much awareness with good ice creams. So we wanted the best ice cream, but we wanted to keep the price range also, that people can still approach it, and even after approaching it, it should be that they should know the difference, that this is not the thing that they have been eating for so long.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
That's so great. And how did the name came up? Is there any story?
We initially
behind
had a lot of names in mind, like Abby's, Enzo's, but something didn't feel right. Then one day my mother said, "Okay, just keep it Bikram and Abhay." So we thought we could do something. So we
Then
came
she
up
said
with-
You started tweaking this.
Yeah.
No, then she said Big and Bay.
Okay.
That's it. And then you're like,
sounds
like
good.
we have बहुत सोच लिया भाई. Like it has been 1.5 months that everything is done and we don't have a name. Then it was like just keep in Pick and Bay.
Hmm. Okay, that's beautiful name, beautiful packaging also. So great job.
Thank you.
So, who is your target audience and who you are,
Our target audience is basically people nowadays are health conscious and they nowadays they're aware what's going inside of them. So
True. Yes.
So-
I have seen a lot of friends also मेरे जिनको पहले होश नहीं होता था क्या खा रहे हैं लेकिन अब they actually look at the ingredients,
yeah.
calories,
Yeah.
calories count. जब से
Everything-
gym join करा है तब से.
everything nowadays
Calorie
is
count is still, I think, that ice cream is an indulgence.
Hmm.
I feel that can still be, ignored in one way or the other. It is like rasmalai. You understand that you go and eat rasmalai and you don't say, "Yaar, इसमें कितनी calories हैं?" You know there are calories over there.
So were there any particular ingredients just पे you were like कि this is the one thing जो कि we should include या
not specifically include but exclude.
so कुछ add करने से ज़्यादा अच्छा you excluded
Yeah.
बेकार ingredients, right?
Palm oil, preservatives,
It is now. आपको मतलब क्या
unnecessary preservatives.
So how did you come up with ice cream truck? How did you think of it?
ready? We knew that we are starting. Like it is very niche. And why will someone come at a place ke Big and Bay?
Okay.
No one, even if I am at a very high footfall place also, I am selling the best ice cream. People may or may not come.
Yeah.
Brand awareness.
Till the time there is no brand awareness in your own city. Truck was our target, but you cannot start a truck until anything like you cannot go big in anything unless you are not sure about the thing which you are selling. So
R&Ds.
he said, then he was already designing a truck.
Okay.
Whatever is done on the truck, he designed it.
No, but our target was to get the ice cream to the customer. We thought customer is not going to come to us.
Yeah, you have to get them a taste.
So, how do you guys manage days या फिर customers को पता कैसे चलता है इस दिन पे यहाँ पे हैं? Do you use social media updates या live locations या it's different places cover?
We have been trying to, I think,
out the spots.
figure out this. So, like we have done that, but I think daytimes we are usually target the corporate spaces, like
Okay.
towns, the 67 or 8B, Quark City or over there. And in the evening it used to be 3B2, but I think 68 is our spot.
कोई hero product है ऐसा जो भी लोगों को बहुत पसंद आए कि this is the best.
These two.
Baby Biscoff
and
and
classic tiramisu.
and mango. Third one is
Okay.
mango. And I think our hero product is Baby Biscoff.
तो उसमें ऐसे ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है या?
नहीं. Sorbets are something more technical, and we have, I think, our new best seller is a jamun sorbet. It is a summer selling, right?
Okay.
And I feel that it is amazing. It is because I find it much better than a normal ice cream also. That क्या खाऊं? So I'll go for a jamun sorbet.
It's something which nobody has tried before.
Okay. That's so good, यार. अब तो मैं भी I'll also be there evening में.
अरे लोग आते हैं ट्रक पे and स्पेशल क्या है तो पहले बिस्कॉफ खिलाएंगे नहीं ये भी नहीं फिर एंड में एक जामुन 100 रुपए का यही दे दो
There's a glow in their eyes after having jamun sorbet.
खट्टा and sudden there's a brightness in their eyes and you can see it. Sometimes I want to record their reaction also. ये कैसा है?
How are the people reacting initially, say, or feedbacks? How are like people actually giving you ये वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा है ये ऐसा अच्छा है? How did you start it?
People were like, this is amazing. Get this out there. Like people should know you can beat any brand.
Oh,
And all your flavors are good.
so was it difficult कि हमें एक level of quality भी maintain करनी है और हमें affordable prices भी रखने हैं? So was it difficult? Yeah.
Every day.
It is.
Every day.
Oh, very much expected. So how do you guys do this?
Like just buy the just find every day there's a new vendor for me that okay you can do something cheaper, like you can do this thing cheaper for me, you can do mangoes cheaper for me, you can do the biscuit spread cheaper
But
for
we
me.
never compromise on the raw material.
Yeah, there has never been any compromise, just go to the best person available at that moment. We have bought something for $700 also, and the same thing we have bought it for $400 also. There's a 300 rupees difference. Because we know that once the ice cream price is decided, वो तो change नहीं होगी. And there's a limit to it also, not how, that to what extent you can go.
Yeah.
So it has to be that,
We had to bring down our cost.
that just find the best vendor. That is it. Otherwise, it is a disaster. It is कुछ नहीं बचेगा.
Nice. ऐसे दो young boys, it's my personal question out of all the curiosities, but दो young boys अभी एक कॉलेज से बाहर निकला है, दूसरा जॉब कर रहा था, but still he is thinking of doing something different. तो बहुत सारे relatives और family में भी बहुत होते हैं जो बोलते हैं अरे नहीं बेटा क्या ही करना है, you're already doing so good, what's the use of putting your shoes into something this uncertain.
अभी भी लोग बोलते हैं ये क्या है कि रेडी ला ली है तू.
Everybody says that you were in marine engineering.
हाँ, तू marine engineer. Well, even the customers come because we are at the truck most of the time.
Okay.
Telling people because these are initial days, वो part करना ही करना पड़ेगा. And आप तो मरीन इंजीनियर हो, आप तो मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हो, आप तो थापर से पास आउट हो, आप बिट्स पिलानी से हो, आप ये क्या कर रहे हो? लाइक आपकी तो सैलरी ऐसी होगी, वैसी होगी. नहीं मेरे को देयर इज सिंपल कि मेरे को इसमें मजा आ रहा है.
One day I was wearing my college t-shirt at the truck and one uncle stopped by, beta padhai chhad di. No uncle, passion. Puri karke padhai.
One last question, that what are the immediate next steps you guys are thinking when it comes to expansion or baki, such?
We are not planning to open a store as of now, like this year, but as we want our name to be, more visible, especially in a city like Chandigarh. So we are targeting places like there is one place which is opening, I think this week. It's called Macha Cha.
Okay.
It's in Sector 44. It's a paddle club. Similar to pickleball, so there's paddleball. And we were doing matcha ice cream. So they came to us that if you're doing matcha ice cream, can you put a kiosk at our club which is called Macha Cha.
We wanted to get our name out there, so we.
It was a very good
Sure.
Yeah, we were like none. So they told us that you put a kiosk over there, and we are planning to do lemonades and beverages,
Sugar-free ice cream.
sugar-free ice creams, like something towards a healthier side, because it is more of a wellness thing. They are doing Pilates and
Okay.
paddle, and I think yoga also, and also I think matcha is something very something which is very coming up. Yeah, so we also want to target that audience. His sister comes, yaar matcha ice cream bana.
It was great talking to you guys. Thank you so much for joining me here.
Same here.